Did you know that you can grow a full bowl of salad right inside your room, even if you don't get direct sunlight? Indoor greens have become super popular in 2025. LED grow lights are cheap, small containers work great, and some greens grow so fast that you can eat your first harvest in just 12 to 20 days. So today, let's walk through 10 salad greens that grow beautifully indoors. With almost zero gardening experience. Let's begin. 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is the easiest entry-level indoor green. Loose-leaf varieties like green salad bowl or red oak leaf don't need deep soil and do well under simple LED grow lights. They germinate fast and you can harvest by cutting the outer leaves, letting the plant grow again. Perfect for constant salad bowls. 2. Spinach. Spinach loves cool indoor temperatures, which makes it great for apartments. Choose fast-growing varieties like Bloomsdale or modern compact hybrids. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Spinach grows slower than lettuce, but you get more nutrient-dense leaves. 3. Arugula. Arugula grows like it's in a hurry. It doesn't mind low light and becomes leafy within 2 weeks. It has that peppery flavor that instantly upgrades sandwiches or salads. If you harvest the top leaves gently, it keeps growing back again and again. 4. Kale. Kale can get huge in outdoor gardens, but indoors it works best as baby leaves. Varieties like dwarf curly or red Russian kale stay compact inside a container. Baby kale tastes tender and slightly sweet. It's great for salads, smoothies, or quick-sauté dishes. 5. Swiss chard. Swiss chard looks beautiful with its colorful stems. It grows well even in medium light and doesn't require much attention. You can keep cutting the outer leaves for months. Chard is also more forgiving if you miss a watering or two. 6. Butterhead lettuce. If you prefer soft, sweet leaves, butterhead is perfect. Indoor gardeners like it because the heads stay small and round. It grows well in hydroponic setups too, which are very popular in 2025 because they save water and space. 7. Mustard greens. These greens bring a spicy kick without needing outdoor sun. Mustard greens grow quickly and handle lower temperatures well. You can grow them densely and harvest as baby greens for milder flavor, or let a few leaves mature for a stronger taste. 8. Microgreens mix. Microgreens aren't one plant, they're a mix. Popular sets include radish, broccoli, cabbage, and sunflower. They grow in trays, need very little soil, and give you a harvest in 8 to 12 days. Microgreens are packed with nutrients, sometimes up to 40 times more than mature leaves. 9. Watercress. Watercress loves moisture. It can grow in shallow containers or small hydroponic cups. It produces leaf after leaf if you keep the roots wet. Watercress has a peppery, refreshing taste and grows quickly indoors all year round. 10. Mache. Mache is still underrated, but indoor growers love it. It has a soft, nutty flavor and thrives in low light and cool rooms. If your home doesn't get much warmth or sun, mache might become your new favorite. It grows slowly but produces beautiful dark green rosettes. Extra tips. Use LED grow lights placed about 20 to 30 centimeters above your greens for the best growth. Keep indoor temperatures between P-22 degrees Celsius for most salad varieties. Water lightly but consistently. Overwatering is the biggest indoor gardening mistake. Rotate pots every few days to help plants grow evenly. Harvest often. Most greens grow back stronger when you cut the outer leaves. If you found these indoor salad ideas helpful, drop a comment and tell me which one you want to try first. And if you enjoy simple gardening tips like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy home growing guides. Happy indoor gardening!